Hi! Take a walk with us through Split.
Hello, my name is Thea and I'm 17 years old. In my free time, I like spending time with my family, especially with my nieces and nephews, and I also like hanging out with my friends. Today, I'm going to show you around the Bašvica beach. This beach is located near the very center of Split, which ensures its exceptional accessibility and high attendance. It is known for its sand and shallow water, which is great for fun and playing the traditional game Pitsigi. It is exceptionally popular with young people and tourists because of its fun activities. I'm looking forward meeting you.
Hello, my name is Marta Masha and I'm 17 years old. I'm a flutist and I play in orchestra. Today we are here as Young Beach. Kizljan is one of the largest and most modern beaches in Split, with spacious people areas, clear sea and long coastal promenade. There are many activities available, making it especially suitable for families with children and young people. I'm looking forward to meeting you. See you in France!
Hi, my name is Clara and I'm 17 years old. I really like baking and trying new recipes, and I also like to watch movies from the early 2000s. Right behind me stands a statue of Gregory Min. In Croatian, he is called Dragurninski. He was a bishop who promoted the use of the Croatian language. People often touch his toe as it's considered a small local tradition for good luck. Right here is the Golden Gate. The Golden Gate is the northern entrance to Diocletian's palace that was built in the 4th century. It is also a part of our UNESCO World Heritage Site. Both of these landmarks show our local identity and they tell our story.
Hi, I'm Matija. I'm 16 and I like to train dogs for competitions. I'm passionate about working with animals and helping dogs reach their full potential. Besides introducing me, I would like to present you the symbol of my town. These are the substructures of the Diocletian Palace. They are among the largest and best preserved ancient royalty spaces, and because of that, they entered UNESCO Heritage List in 1979. They are built beneath the empire's living quarters, and because of that, we can reconstruct how the imperial apartments once looked. The whole area consists of about 50 halls, which is 7,000 square meters. That's it for me today. I can't wait to meet you all.
Hi, I'm Zvita and I'm 17 years old. I love to travel abroad and also I like to watch the matches of the Croatian national football team. Our best result was in 2019 when we won second place. So, behind me is the old Gothic town hall, which is the only part left of a complex destroyed in 1825. It was renovated in 1890 and still has the main portico, the north wall and the chapel of St. Lawrence. It was museum from 1910 to 2005 and today it's used for exhibitions. And thank you for listening and I'm really excited to meet you.
Hi, my name is Mata Boškajin. I live in Omiš, Croatia, and I'm 17 years old. In my free time, I like to run, listen to the music, and read books. I want to show you Riva. Riva got its own recognizable look before 2 centuries, when French people ruled the city and in Napoleon's time. People here drink coffee for a few hours and they don't think it's waste of time, they think it's really necessary, and here you can feel the real energy of the city and the people from Split and Croatia.
Hi, my name is Pia Pazunaric. I'm 18 years old and I am a senior from Excellent Filprana School of Split. Today I'm at Procurative, which was built in 19th century by one of the most famous mayors of Split, Antonio Pajamonti. We have Christmas outlet here with many traditional Christmas food like fritule, and one of the most famous parts for Split children is ice skating right here.
Hi, my name is Rita and I'm 17 years old. I sing and act and my schedule is usually full. Also, I like to travel abroad so much. So, right now, I'm on the peristyle. The peristyle is majestic central square of the Diocletian Palace. Also, on my right side, you can see the bell tower of the Cathedral of Saint Denis. So, firstly, it was built as a mausoleum for Emperor Diocletian, but in 7th century it became a cathedral. And even today there are relics of Saint Denis. So thank you for listening, and I'm so excited to meet you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rocco. I'm a student from Autonomous School Split. Currently I'm at Mariam Viewpoint, and this is a place where you can see the whole Split. Right now I'm walking at Mariam Forest, the biggest forest around the Split. Here you can find the peace and do exercise as I do.
Hi everyone, my name is Laurie, and I'm the student of Economic School Split. Here I am at the Stadium Polit, the most popular football stadium in Croatia. I love to come here and watch my favorite football team play.
I'm Lara, and I'm really excited to be working on this project with you. And this is Catalina, it's my favorite place to watch the sunset.
Hi guys, my name is Kara. I'm 17 years old and I'm currently studying at Marmonta Street. At this street we have all different kinds of shops where you can buy food or clothing items. I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you, and I'm really happy to share a piece of Split with you. Hi everyone, my name is Nera, and right now I'm standing in front of the Split National Theatre, known also as HNK. This is a beautiful historical building, as you can see, and this is a place where we enjoy theater, opera, and ballet. I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you on Erasmus, and I'm really grateful to share a part of my city with you.
Bye! See you soon!